It's okay, sweetie. Mummy and Daddy are here. We won't let anything happen to you. Shh. It's okay, Rani. You are safe. We can do this together, slowly.
It's okay, sweetie. It won't hurt.
Look, they even have fish tanks over here.
Hello, Rani. It is so nice to see you today. Don't worry, we're just gonna take a quick look. And that's how we keep the sugar bugs from moving in. We just tap, tap, tap them away gently. Okay, doctor.
You are doing so well, Rani. Everything looks great. Just checking the back ones now, and we will be all finished up.
고봐. 허도 길었다. 또 왔다. See how we angle the brush right here? Now you try. Excellent. That's the perfect angle for keeping those gums healthy.
Bye, Rani. Have fun playing.
Thanks, Martha. Bye.